If you've ever wanted to make your envelopes look a little more polished, more personal, or just more professional in Microsoft Word, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to add images to envelopes in Word step by step, even if you've never done it before. We'll go from creating the envelope to inserting your image to positioning it so it sits exactly where you want it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the Mailings tab at the top of the screen. This is where Word keeps all of the envelope and label tools. Once you're in Mailings, click Envelopes. A small window will pop up where you can enter your delivery address and return address. Type in the information you want to use and then click Add to Document. Word will create a new envelope document for you, which gives you a clean workspace to design on. Now that the envelope is on the page, the next step is adding your image. Go up to the Insert tab, then click Pictures. From here, choose the image you want to place on the envelope. You can use a logo, a decorative icon, a small brand image, or anything else that fits the purpose of your envelope. After your picture appears in the document, you may notice that it doesn't move freely right away. That's completely normal. To position it properly, click the image and look for Layout options. This is the key setting that controls how the picture interacts with the text and the envelope layout. Click Layout options and change the wrapping style to square. Once you do that, the image becomes easier to drag around the page. Now you can click and hold the picture, then move it into the exact spot you want on the envelope. You can place it near the return address, along the side, or wherever it best fits your design. If needed, you can also resize the image by dragging the corner handles so it looks balanced and professional. Take a moment to make sure the image doesn't cover any important address text and that everything is still easy to read. That's really the whole process. Create the envelope from the Mailings tab, insert your picture from the Insert tab, and use Layout options with square wrapping so you can move the image into place. It's a simple trick, but it can make your envelopes look much more customized and polished in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.